In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello username. If you've ever wanted a cleaner handle to match your brand or to make your profile easier to share, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into Trello in a web browser. Your username is the short handle used in your public profile link and when people mention you. It's different from your full name, which is just the display name on cards and boards. Start by going to the top right corner of Trello and clicking your profile avatar. This opens your account menu. If you don't see your picture, it might show your initials. Either way, it's in that top right spot. Clicking it reveals the options you need to reach your profile settings. From the menu, choose Profile and Visibility. This takes you to your profile page where you can control what others see and update your account details. On this page, you'll notice both your full name and your username. Remember, changing your username won't rename boards or workspaces, and it won't affect your permissions. It simply changes the handle tied to your profile and mentions. Next, find the username field and click to edit it. Type the new username you want. Usernames must be unique, so if Trello tells you it's taken, try a small variation. As a best practice, keep it simple, professional, and easy to remember. Typically, usernames use letters, numbers, and underscores, and do not include spaces or special symbols. If this handle is part of your personal or company branding, choose something consistent with your email or social profiles to make sharing smoother. Once you've entered the new handle, click Save. Give it a moment to apply. You may see a brief confirmation, and your profile URL will now reflect the updated username. If you had previously shared your old profile link, consider sharing the new one so collaborators can find you easily. Your boards, teams, and card assignments will remain intact, and mentions going forward will use the new handle. If the change doesn't appear right away on another tab, refresh the page to see the update. That's it. Click your avatar, open Profile and Visibility, edit the username field, and save. If you ever need to revise it again, you can repeat these same steps. Just remember that usernames must be available and follow Trello's character rules. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your Trello identity with confidence.